The St. Paul Hotel was built in 1910, and at that time, the business people and everybody got together and decided to invest $1 million and build a namesake hotel in St. Paul. So we were the top of the market from 1910 on, and there was a period in the 70s where it went into decline, but then there was a renaissance back in 1982. The entire place was rebuilt, redone, new electrical, mechanicals, all of that in the building, and we're the place where important things happen, in downtown St. Paul. So we're the gathering point. We carry that responsibility of maintaining the name, making sure that we maintain the reputation and the pride that the people of Minnesota, and particularly the people of St. Paul, have in their namesake hotel. We just put a new roof on the St. Paul Hotel this summer, so we took off the entire old roof. And part of that project was, again, making sure we look good, making sure that we maintain this legendary property. One, we made sure there was a good roof on top of it, but then we went beyond that and said, what else can we do? And I called Kathy Foldesi, who's been a sales rep for Viking with us for years. She says, I'll be right down. Let me show you what we got. I mean, it was a day or two later, she brought in the right person who showed us this new system. I took his couple sample lights that he gave us, and I, duct taped them to a 2x4 and got up on the roof edge in the middle of the night, being safe, of course. And then, we had the president of our company comes down and looks at them and evaluates, and I was evaluating too. Do I like the way they look? Is it going to provide what we need? And just off these little 3 sample lights, I saw that it was going to be great, right? They had great color, they had great whiteness, they had great brightness. It filled the bill. So it was the middle of the summer. I started with nothing, and I ended up with an entire lighting system, all of these new pieces that are involved, and we got it installed before the holidays showed up. So now we're able to take our beautiful hotel, turn on all these holiday lights. I mean, this place looks great. You get those white lights on the top of it, and then you can switch it out with colors and do any pattern, any design you want. I mean, it's very exciting. It's exciting times for us at the St. Paul Hotel. The advice I would give to anybody who is looking at this project, give Viking Electric a call.